This here is my Rolls-Royce Dutchie with the broken front left-hand wheel. And we're still looking for parts to replace this bloody wheel. Hello, mister. Say hello to everybody. Bright as a button. Got the bandage off. We took the bandage off today. Yeah, what? Down here. We've got a bit of a... When I press here, we're getting exudate there. That's not steaming hot or anything, but... So, we're just going to see how he goes with no bandage and let the air get to it. He's been spending a lot of time laying down, which I'm not complaining about. Are you happy? Just in how much pain? I don't know. What's your quality of life, my boy? Hey? What's your quality of life? Just look at your ears. Put your ears forward. I'll go and get you some butte, hey? How's that? It's giving you trouble, isn't it? Getting up. Whoa, nearly on top of me. Let's see how you're walking, barefooted. He's been walking on his toe this morning, not putting any weight on his heel. Not that you want to, would you? I don't know what. I'm gonna have a look at the hole in the wall of his hoof here is where he was operated on. So that's the inside of his hoof in there. That tail flicking, I don't know. What are you going to do? You going to come back up for a feed or what? Hey? Smudge, you're looking a bit down the dumps today. Well, the big fellow never came up to the stable tonight for his dinner. And when I went and checked him later on to give him a little bit of butte, he'd only eaten half of it. Pain I can handle. He can handle a bit of pain, like me. Infection I don't know about. So we'll give him another whack of penicillin this arvo. The highlight in this sagittal section indicates where the infection currently is, which is in the bulb of the heel and the digital cushion. Not good. I guess you could say this is the last resort. We took the bandage off today and have applied some tough rock, which is supposed to be a sort of poultice. Hopefully he will have picked up a bit by tomorrow.